In South America lives a group of extraordinary animals. They are amongst the most spectacular creatures on Earth. They have fascinated us for as long as we've known of them. They are hummingbirds, and their glittering colours and their prowess in the air are unmatched. They are the celebrities, the stars of the bird world. But what do we know about these unique birds? Well, they are tiny, dwarfed by a scientist's hand, amongst the smallest warm-blooded animals on Earth. And we can see that they live their lives in the fast lane. In flight, they are just a blur. It's only when you slow down their supercharged lives that you can begin to understand how they live. High-speed cameras reduce the speed of the action. 1 second stretches out to 50 and enables us to look into the secret world of the hummingbird. Much of their lives still remains a mystery. What we do know is that hummingbirds depend on flowers for their food. Nectar fuels their frenetic lives. And that hummingbirds are only found in the New World. Most live in South America, and this is where our story starts. Here, many plants employ hummingbirds as messengers. But this wasn't the original contract. When flowers first evolved over 60 million years ago, there were no hummingbirds. The first flowering plants depended on insects as their pollinators. Today, many plants still do. As butterflies move from flower to flower, sipping nectar, they take pollen from one plant to another. The plants are fertilized, the insects are fed. This was the original arrangement. The plant and insect relationship